Hi, this is Jason Taylor with the Law Office of Jason E. Taylor. Hope you're doing well. Want to talk to you all today about a little bit about our background. You know, some of you know me as the Litigator. Our web address is thelitigator.com. And every once in a while, I'll get somebody to ask me, well, Jason, what is the Litigator? What does that mean? What does litigator mean? So I thought I'd take this opportunity to enlighten some folks who may be curious. And really to understand what a litigator is and litigation, better to start with a lawyer, right? What is a lawyer? And I pulled out the classic Black's Law Dictionary that we all kind of grew up with in law school. That one's mine. This was my father's from the 50s that he's passed on to me. But in the dictionary, it said a lawyer is a person learned in the law as an attorney, counsel, or solicitor, a person licensed to practice law. That sounds pretty straightforward, pretty easy, right? And I think a better way of appreciating a lawyer is thinking about your doctor. And, you know, you may have a family doctor, but if you need surgery, they refer you to a surgeon who handles that particular problem that you're having. And lawyers are somewhat the same way. Lawyers have different areas of practice, and it may be real estate, it may be domestic issues, it may be wills, trust, and estate issues. As much as you can think about, there's an area of law that people handle. And much of that takes place without going to the courtroom, without filing a lawsuit. And so some lawyers go to the courtroom and some lawyers don't. And the ones that do, we call litigators, right? They're trial lawyers. And so, you may be in the various practice of law, you may be a lawyer who handles real estate matters, who does a lot of closings and things like that. But if there's a dispute, a boundary dispute or something, you may refer that to a litigator, or you may be a real estate lawyer who also does litigation. You may also be a litigator. And that's what we are, right? We do a variety of types of cases from, injury cases, and a lot of you know me for that, from auto and motorcycle and trucking cases and premises liability cases and medical malpractice cases and things like that we handle oftentimes without having to file a lawsuit and go into what we call litigation. But what we also do is we litigate. We try cases. We try cases for our clients, and we try cases for other lawyers' clients. We've been very fortunate that we are oftentimes asked to be co-counsel for a lawyer who may try cases but doesn't try a particular type of case that often, maybe a case that we do more of and they think it will be helpful, or they may just have us take the case and try it ourselves. So that's what a litigator is. It's the one who handles the cases that go to court. And the Barron's Law Dictionary gives, I think, a great definition about the process of going to court. And it is, they say, a judicial contest through which legal rights are sought to be determined and enforced. And that's what it is. It's a contest. You get in the ring. That's what, the courtrooms are a ring, and like any sporting event, you try your best to win, and that's what we do, and we'll be happy to do that for you. Hope you don't need us. Just take care and be safe. And now, if you didn't know, now you know what litigation is and what a litigator does. Thank you. Got litigator? Need a legal team? Get it. Litigator.com.